If your ceiling fan will not operate, these are the steps that you must try. Before getting started, if the ceiling fan did operate, then stopped, please verify that a wall switch was not inadvertently turned off. After verifying the switch is in the on position and the ceiling fan still will not operate, please fast forward this video to the electric panel section. If the ceiling fan has not operated since you moved in, you will have to determine what exactly turns the fan on. Ceiling fans can be operated in many different ways, especially with over 1/2 of the fans installed after the home was built. Fans can be operated by a pull chain, a wall switch with the switch location just about anywhere, a designated fan control, or operated by a remote control. If there is a remote control, it is recommended that you replace the batteries as a precaution. A pretty safe bet is that any wall switch wired to a fixture or a wall outlet is not attached to the fan, though it is still a possibility. Make note of the steps you take so you do not repeat yourself, and mark the identified switches. A bedroom fan is easier to diagnose as the fan could be on a pull chain, the fan could be wired into a switch entering the room, or you may find an added wall switch. Living rooms and family rooms are the hardest to determine, as there is normally more than one entrance to the room, which means there is normally more than one switch that turns on the lights, ceiling fans, etc. You will have to experiment all the configurations mentioned previously, as one operation could be in combination with the others. Just because a light built into the fan operates, that does not mean the light and fan are wired together. It could be wired together or independently. Generally, a fan without a pull chain has a remote control. Even if there is a remote control, there is still a possibility that a wall switch must be in the on position for the fan to operate. Pull the fan chain 2 times, then flip all wall switches in the same room the fan is installed and the adjacent hallway to the on position. If the switch has no markings, the switch is a two-way switch, and you will have to try the fan from all locations. If there is a remote control, try the remote control using the switch procedures just discussed. If there is a switch or there are switches in the room or a close hallway that appear to go nowhere, it is probable that the switch operates the fan and/or the light. If the fan still will not operate, trying the pull chain, switches, and remote control possibilities, you will have to call a contractor for the necessary repairs. It is possible that a handyman can make this repair. If you have no contractor, your real estate agent can be an excellent resource for a local contractor. Home-411 also provides a link at the lower left corner of this website to access contractors that can make repairs. We provide this link as a service for our members, as contractors can be very difficult to find. Due diligence should always be used when hiring anyone to come into your home to make any repairs. Please read the Home-411 Limitations of Liability.